Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'll just bring this forward a tad and check it and see how we go. Yes, this red dot is the bid on my pouring medium, which I shall show you, is Mart PVA glue, which I've already mixed. However, my silver paper is blowing up today, so I put it on there to hold it, along with a few things here as well. So what I want to do is my very first bottle bottom pour. I was just thinking about doing something else to it, but I won't. I'll just try this and see how we go. And I have red, yellow, blue, white and black. And you'll find the recipes for the pouring medium and the paints underneath show more below this video. So without any further ado, I think I'll start with some white. This is going to be interesting, my very first. Come on, over you go. Right, and I like black and white together, so but not too much. Red. Some blue. Some yellow. With a bit of luck, these colours might make other colours, you know, the blue and yellow make green, red and yellow make orange, which is why I didn't put the orange and the green in. And a bit of black. So far it's starting to look alright. A bit more yellow. I've got enough red, but I'll put a bit more. And then I'm going to top it off with some white and black. Right, just give that a second to finish its little self off. Then I'll lift the cup and see if it'll come back in on itself. If it doesn't, I'll do a little ring pour. But here we go, carefully. Oh yes, it's coming in. Just give it a second. Obviously not exactly, I'm going to turn it, it's not exactly level. I could see that. Alright, now this is quite interesting. That's taken up in the centre. I don't know about that white, but we'll soon see. And I'm going to, I have a cloth, which I think is, yep, wide enough to go right over. Shouldn't have done it like that, but not to worry. Just make gentle sure that I don't have any air bubbles, which I do. My colours are completely covered. Now for the best bit, I suppose. Ooh. That is certainly different. I'm going to see what happens. I'd like to bring it further out to the edges, but at the same time I don't want to wreck it, which I probably will do. Yes, I have. I've messed the flower, but it's still very pretty, so I'm going to continue. There is no silicone in any of these colours, but there is Floetrol in the pouring medium. And over this other corner. If I do this again, bring this down on these other corners, because I've just thought of something now that I messed it up, but there's every chance I might be able to resurrect it. Over you go, quickly. That's it. And there's this one. Okay, so I have this, and it really is quite pretty actually. Not what I was aiming for, but just going to bring it down. Right. Take my hands off. And that's really quite pretty. So where did that go? There it is. Come back here, you. Get back on. And we will have some white. And black. Red, yellow, and we'll finish it with a bit of blue. Okay. A bit more blue here. Just give it a second. More pebble white. And then I'm going to try with another piece of cloth. I'm not going to put so much on it this time. Put it on from this end. Yes, see, I like that. And I'm going to give it a little torch. As I said, there's no silicone in any of the colours, but there is Floetrol, and I can see some cell action. So I'll just shut the door because it's quite windy, and I will see what we have. Air bubbles is what I had. Now I want my stick. Must have used all the sticks up, so I used the back end of a paintbrush just to put a few dabs of come off. Right. I think that looks pretty good. I'm pretty much taken with it. And I'm not doing any more to it. I'll bring it down to have a look, and it really is quite attractive. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be then notified when I put up videos. I like this one. Very pretty and nice and bright. Few cells, not many, but then as I said, I didn't put any silicone in it, so I wasn't really looking for cells. But I really do like it, so here's hoping that because the paint's rather thick and I don't have any GAC 800, I'm hoping that it won't crack. But we'll soon find out in 2 or 3 days. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.